What does SU mean on Snapchat? Know all about Snapchat slang like BTW, TBH and SU and how to use them appropriately to up your text slang game. With more than 22 million downloads on Google Play Store, Snapchat has become one of the most loved social media platforms for people across the globe. The app is famous for its incredible privacy protection interface and sharing of stories. The social media application offers its users with goofy and cute filters which people love to use and share selfies with their close friends. Snapchat was the first online platform to provide a section of sharing stories that last only for 24 hours for people to view online. Apart from such incredible features of the app, many users use it to text their friends as Snapchat is considered one of the best social messaging applications. Many users use casual or slang terms while sending a snap. These Snapchat text slangs are short and help Snap lovers to fit words in 1 or 2 lines. This not only helps to convey a message easily but it also helps the receiver to read the text in the image before the time for viewing the image passes. However, slangs like SU, BTW, TBH and more usually confuse new users as they do not know their meaning. If you are wondering what BTW and TBH stand for and what does SU mean on Snapchat, here is all you need to know. What does SU mean on Snapchat? It is not easy for many people who are not familiar with the Snapchat text slangs to understand short forms such as SU. It can be difficult to reply to such texts such as SU and more when you do not understand them. When they try to search the meaning of SU on Google, some of the results indicate CU, which is not usually the meaning used on Snapchat while chatting, as many users use CU to say see you on Snapchat. The original intended meaning of SU on Snapchat is shut up. This slang is generally used for asking someone to stop talking. What does BTW mean on Snapchat? BTW in Snapchat text slang means by the way. This slang is generally used to indicate that a person is going to bring up something new to chat or confront something with the other person in the chat. What does TBH mean on Snapchat? TBH means to be honest on Snapchat. While sending this slang, a person is expressing that they are speaking the truth while talking to them. It is also used in the sender's message to convey that they are honest. TBH is a trending acronym on Snapchat that is used most often on this social media app.